Tenir Eco Hotels is a high-altitude modular glamping project located in ski resort in Kazakhstan, 3,200 meters above sea level, which makes it one of the highest altitude hotels in the world. Designed by Levelstudio, the project utilized prefab construction techniques to minimize on-site construction time and waste. The modules were prefabricated at a factory and transported to the remote site using custom sledges. Located in a national park, the hotel was designed with ecological considerations, using steel posts instead of concrete foundations. The modules can be dismounted and relocated without demolition. Hotels redefine sustainable hospitality through its innovative modular design.